Hey everybody, Jeff Simon here for SocialFlight. I'm here with Jake and Ben. How are you guys doing?
Good. Good.
They're all home for Thanksgiving, and so we have a Thanksgiving video for you, and we are thankful in this case for this massive thing behind me, which is the propeller for our Titan T51D Mustang. What do you guys think of this?
It's a bit larger than I thought.
It's looking big, to say the least. Listen, it's been a long time. If you guys have been watching this video series, then you have literally watched Jake and Ben grow up building this aircraft. And I know they haven't been in videos in a while, and you know, it's because they've been doing such cool things with their life. Jake, tell everybody what you've been up to these days, because you've now graduated UMass.
Yeah, I graduated. I'm now working for Pratt & Whitney in engineering, so that's been a really cool experience.
Moving forward, Hartford, Connecticut, working on jet engines for airliners.
Yep. So yeah, it's all good. Good learning experience.
And Ben, you're entering you're in your last year.
So yep, finishing up my undergrad right now in mechanical engineering, and then
At Clemson.
At Clemson,
Yep.
and then getting ready for grad school.
Wow. And what are you going to do in grad school?
I have a PhD. I'm going to do a PhD in material science engineering, so I'm excited for that.
More stuff that's going to help aviation, all other fields, very, very cool stuff. So I'm excited to have both of these amazing guys home for Thanksgiving. And now what we're going to do is unbox this propeller behind me, get all of this out, and we're going to bring it in. Now we are almost ready, but we're not ready yet to hang this on the Mustang. So we're going to put it on the wall. You're going to see it behind me in our SocialFlight live shows. It's going to be on the wall back there until we're ready to put it on the aircraft. So let's get it unboxed, and then we'll see that and move from there, because I can't wait to see what's inside this box.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So first thing is we're going to lower this down very carefully. All right, ready? We're going to watch the top. There we go. And then move to this next piece. You got it? Perfect. Okay, we're following instructions we were given by Hartzell. This propeller is a four-bladed composite propeller. It is all carbon fiber. Amazing carbon fiber propeller made by them as a replica for the Mustang. Going to take a little bit to get that in. While you guys are doing that, we can actually take this off if you want. Not through your legs.
Well, take your hands away from it. Let's do one at a time.
Jake's got it right here.
A lot of pressure. Just.
All right. So first let's take the wood. Wait, before you do that, let's get the wood out. And rotate that back towards me. We'll put that back up against the wall where it came from. Deal with that later. Okay. Wow, that apparently wasn't doing so much. Here we got some paperwork. Okay.
This should be able to come out.
Yeah, this should.
Do you have to take the
It's
blades
a
off?
box within a box. So, yep, if you do, well, you said you don't want to lift, so hold on.
I can pull the blades out.
Well, I don't want to pull the blades out yet because this comes off first. And this is what holds on some of those. Perfect. All right. Now we're to the point that we've got blades. Wow, how cool is that? Okay. All right. And that's it. We've got our propeller here. It's got protective tape and stuff. We'll leave that on until we get it hung on the wall. How amazing does this look?
It's pretty.
That is one pretty propeller. All right. So now, let's see. It's actually pretty light. Let's turn it. Let's first show everybody what we're looking at here. Wow. How amazing is that? That is cool. So we're gonna have to take that cap and then we'll be able to hang it. What's that? Oh, okay. Learning what we need to hang it. Okay. So let's now rest it back on this. Actually, let's carry it out. Okay. I'm watching. All right. And we'll take it out this way.
Watch it. Yeah, there you go.
All right, everybody. This is it. This is it coming into the house now. And we're going to be mounting it on this rear wall. You are going to see that in the next SocialFlight Live. Next time we have a guest on SocialFlight Live, it's going to be here in the background. And very soon, there's going to be a very cool video of us putting this on that. We have the engine done. The fuselage is done. The center section has its fuel tanks in, landing gear on. Got a few more things to do to that. And then all the big parts just start coming together. So with that, be sure to check it out. Again, you know, this prop, I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's from Hartzell Propeller. It is a completely done, it's a Whirlwind, which is owned by Hartzell. Whirlwind uses this carbon fiber propeller material. It is incredibly light and strong. Total reproduction of the original Mustang 4-bladed propeller. It's 90 inches long, hydraulic propeller. Truly, truly amazing. And I'm just really excited to see it. And as you can see here, it is one cool looking piece of hardware that's going to go on the front of this amazing Mustang. So with that, so thrilled to have Jake and Ben back here for this Thanksgiving. And I wish you all such a wonderful Thanksgiving for you and your families. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the SocialFlight community. Be sure to check out socialflight.com and the free mobile apps for Apple and Android devices. We have tens of thousands of aviation events and destinations, cool holiday fly-ins for you. And until next time, I wish you all blue skies.